Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla vs. Iron Man with his arc reactor. Now I had a lot of fun with this one. I was a little unsure on how to go with it at first, but I think you guys will like how it turned out. So hope you follow along and enjoy the video. Now to start off with Godzilla vs. Iron Man, we're going to begin with Godzilla. Now I'm going to keep him kind of more of just drawing his face so we can show that he's kind of blasting Iron Man with his atomic blast. So we might make Iron Man a little bit bigger. So I'm going to start down here with Godzilla, and we're just going to work on his head. So I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come up like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes over and then up for his eye. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come back. Then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down. Draw another one that goes down and in just a little bit, and then one more right to the edge. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes out, and it's going to come down for the nose. Bring it down to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then goes down just a bit. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. Make a line that goes down and over. And one more that comes down, and then it's going to go up. Next, we're going to go over and bring it up here for the jaw. And then we'll make a little line that comes down here for part of the mouth. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes up, and another couple here just show some wrinkles on his neck. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and in. And one more here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up and down, and then one more here. And then another line that goes up for his spikes. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes back and then down to show kind of like some detail on him. And then I'll draw a couple more little lines and a few lines by his eye. I'm going to add some sharp teeth on the top and some on the bottom. Make a little line right here. And we'll just add a couple little lines right there. I'm also going to add a little line that's going to come down here for the arm, and another one over here. We'll add a couple little lines around here, a few lines in there. Next, we're just going to draw a little line that comes down. And I'm going to bring this line, or these lines down just a little bit for some detail. Next, we're going to add just a couple more lines over here by the arms. And just a couple little broken lines kind of all over for some details. Now, up here we want to make Iron Man. Now, we are going to be making him a little bit bigger than what he would be normally, but that's just so we can kind of fit everything in, because we can't draw him itty-bitty. Now, to start off with Iron Man, we're going to begin with his face. So, to start off, I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to come down here. Then I'm just going to bring it down a little farther. We're going to come over. I'm going to go up like this. And then we're going to connect it to here. Starting here, we're going to add a little circle and another one right there. Next, we're going to make a little line that comes down. And a little line that goes up and over. Next, we're going to make a little line that goes over and down. And I'm going to make another little line that comes down here, show the side of the head. Right here, we're going to make a little line that goes up. and a line that comes down, over, and up. Make a little line that goes over and up, and another one here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes down. We're going to go down and then over. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes down. We're going to go in just a little bit. Then we're going to make like a V shape with a line on top for that arc reactor. Next, we're going to make a line that goes over, and it's going to come up to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. I'm going to go over, and I'm going to bring it up to here. Make a little line that comes up. And I'm going to make a line that goes down, and that's going to curve around for the shoulder. Line that goes down and up. Then I'm going to make two little lines that come out. Then I'm going to make a little bit of like a rectangular shape for his finger. I want to make another one here, one here, one here, and one right here. And I'm just going to bring it to there. Over here, I'm going to add another little line for the shoulder. Little line's going to go out and down. Another one here. And I'm going to add a little rectangle shape for the shoulder, or for the thumb. And then a couple more for the fingers. And a little line that comes back. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and that's going to connect to here. Little line that goes down, it's going to come around and connect. And a little V shape that goes down and up. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and we're going to bring it around in an oval. Little line that goes down and over. Make a line that's going to go out and down. It's going to come up and around. We'll make a little line down here. Next, we'll make a line that's going to curve around here for the foot. Over here, we'll make a line that goes out and comes back. Little line that goes down and up. Make this one come back. A little line that goes up and down. And a little line down here. Then we'll make a little line that goes down and up for this foot. Now I just want to come in here and add a few details. I'm going to make a line that's just going to go up and then down here. And a little line that comes down. Make a line that goes down and over. And one that does the same thing over here. A little line that goes up. I'm just going to connect this line across. We'll draw the same shape right inside of here for a little more detail. A little line down here. Make a little line that goes up and over, and another one here. One that goes down and over, and down and over. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla shooting his atomic blast at Iron Man. Now, one of the last things we can add in here is the atomic blast. So I'm just going to draw this coming right out of Godzilla's mouth. It's going to be hitting right on Iron Man's arc reactor there. I'm going to be coloring this in too, so I didn't want to draw too much of it, but this just kind of shows you where it's going to be hitting at. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.